Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. In the last video, we are going to learn that for fetch a purchase order by ID. Now update the purchase order. So this is the code for update a purchase order. So I'm going to just update it. Let's comment the previous one. And let's go with this one. And we have to call this function with ID and the updated fields. So over here we have the purchase one. Okay, so let's add this. So here we have to pass the purchase order ID, which is this one. So let's copy this, and status I want to update and the vendor I want to update. So for the vendor, here you can see that purchase order, which vendor it is exactly. So vendor name is not there, but its test is available. So I'm going to assign to the vendor name. So let's go here and we have the vendors, right? This is test vendor. I'm going to assign it this ID. So let's add this ID like this. And what we are going to do is like this is the endpoint, that is purchase orders, and in the data we have to pass the ID and the updated fields. And here we are passing the ID, and this one object is the updated fields. Okay, and this is the access token we have to pass. Then if it is updated, then it will log that the purchase order is updated. Okay, let's go and run this code. And here we go with that, the it is updated. Let's have a look. So here you can see that this is not that one, purchase orders. Here we have, and let's say here you can see that the status is approved. Here you can see that the status approved. And let's check the vendor name, but vendor name is not assigned, or what? The name is added. I think this is updated, but the this for the this field, I think vendor is not. This is correct. Let's have a look. Vendor, it's vendor name. I no idea like where the vendor is updated. Okay, let's see. I think maybe this will not be like assigning the vendor or something. Okay, if I go with this one like here, so let's see. Here we have the updated fields name, right? So what we can update. So here you can see that the approved true or false, the status. Okay, so here you can see that the status we are sending, right? And the next one, let's see the vendor. Okay, so it's owner details, currency. Let's see if the vendor name is there. It's product details, it's a shipping, created, discount, vendor name. Okay, let's try to send this one. If it is applicable or something like this, we are going to send it. If it is making up for the ID or something, let's have a look. Okay, and here you can see it's showing something error, or might what, because it's taking too much time. No, I think not is possible. It says it's updated. Let's have a look. Is it updated finally? Yeah, here you can see that the test is automatically now assigned. Okay, so only the way is that the key that we have to match accordingly. Okay, so this is how you are able to update the purchase order. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.